Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, and I'm Reed, and this is Reed's Beauty Trip. So this is my rolling perfume roulette, and this was created by Daisy Sheps from Fantastic Ladies, and it has been so fun. So this is my third update and stuff like that. So last month we did the hashtag Rue by Rue21. Because I was late going, so I did 3. The other one's the Roses de Chloe. I always want to say Chloe Roses. Roses de Chloe. And it was just a little sample thing. And I did use that one up, so I'm so excited about that. And then my other one was Citrus Pop, which is in my purse right now. Because it's a fun little spritz to kind of spritz on. To me, it's more of a spring or summer scent, but I really enjoyed it. It does remind me of Squirt soda. It's very citrusy, very grapefruit, which I love grapefruit, so I'm really enjoying that one. I will, if they've got some of the other lotions and stuff, I'll probably invest in some of that stuff. So for November, because it's November 4th, I did pre-record this a couple days before, but for November 4th, this is my rolling roulette, and I have, so don't laugh. So one of them is another Rue, which is Rue, etc. And it's sweet. It's like a cotton candy, but I really like it. So no problem there with that one. I've only used a little bit, as you can tell. And then the next one is going to be a Michael Kors Rose Gold. Now, this is set up like a rollerball. Chances are, if I can pop this out, which I haven't tried yet, I'll pop it out and put it in a little spritz bottle, because I prefer spritz versus rollerballs. Proud of me, Lori. Then I have Viva by Fergie, and this one is the Rose Gold. As if I didn't say that. It's the Michael Kors Rose Gold. More mature scent. This one, another rollerball. And this is Viva de Fergie. And I think this one I got from Avon, actually. Not as crazy about that one. So definitely put it in a, figure out how to, because sometimes they won't pop out how you want them to. Or you end up soaked if you. And the last one, the last week, should be like the week of for Thanksgiving, I assume, and stuff, or the week after Thanksgiving. Is one of them I got from Scentbird, which, if you want to try stuff and you're not sure about, I will be very honest, this is a really good way to go. I like it, and the one I drew, and I didn't even know what I drew, and that was the Toka Cleopatra by Toka. So I think that's going to be more of a powdery, mature scent. So I am excited about that. Like I said, the Chloe is used up, and with the Rue last month, the hashtag Rue, I really liked it. It's sweet, kind of candy sweet, enjoyable. I guess I'm gonna have to get weights for the ones that are dark like this, where you can't smell them and stuff. But that is my rolling roulette for perfume. Daisy, thank you for creating this with Fantastic Ladies. I hope if anyone has any questions, please just comment below, ask. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. It's winter. We're going into winter or fall. It's still fall, I guess, since we haven't had Thanksgiving yet. But yeah, I'm not ready for this. So, but anyway, I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.